Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, one of the things Umam Zobe had hoped is that Uphathai Megevuka, that he doesn't remember any of the things that Ukabisile told him about Umthembu's death, you guys. So we see Umam Zobe, she's in hospital, sitting there next to her husband's bed, you guys, hoping ukuthi uzovuka. And ngempela uPhakathwayo, he starts moving, you guys. He starts moving, and Umam Zobe is like, Phakathwayo, like you're awake already. Usuphapeme. She's acting as if she's wiping her tears there, guys. She's like, Baba, uzizunjani? Hi, Phakathwayo there, guys. Uyanqwina laphaya ningathi ufuna ukukhuluma or something like that. Umam Zobe is like, hayi ungakhulumi baba. Asihlale nje sibhekane. And angithi guys, she doesn't want him to say anything. Ay, shame uPhakathwayo. That time he's still weak, you guys. He just picks up his finger and he points at Umam Zobe and he's like, Ungumbulali. Ungumbulali, ubulele umthembu wena, mthakathi ndini. Yo, guys, that time she is so surprised that he actually remembers everything. Guys, mina sengiyamsabela because niyamazi uzobisho ukuthi akadlali kanjalo, guys. What if Umam Zobe takes her husband out and this is the end of him? Hi guys, the good loudspeaker ke manje. I don't trust ukuthi Umam Zobe, phela Umam Zobe neqiniso, she will try to hide it by all means. So I am just wondering, is her husband safe or is she going to try ukuthi amqedelele, guys, so that this truth doesn't come out? It's going to be an interesting one to see. But obviously if she does do that, uKhabisile will know ukuthi like it's her mother who did this, guys. Anyway, the season is coming to an end and Umam Zobe, unfortunately or fortunately, guys, it's time ukuthi ajeziswe for izono zakhe because it's too much now. Anyway, guys, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.